Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2025 Chevrolet Z06, full wrap with XPel Ultimate Plus, and that's it. No window film or ceramic on this. This vehicle is also changed out from the original badging to the black. And let's take a look at the install, starting here with our hood. This front hood, one of the things I like to do is obviously we make sure we get all our edges wrapped in, but we also make sure that we don't notch this out. There are people that will make relief cuts here, and you'll see a block where the paint is exposed on all these ends. We don't do that. Everything here gets wrapped in, so it's nicely done. The full hood's fully wrapped 100%. All the fenders, we wrap those in underneath. All this here all gets wrapped in as well. All the ends, the fender into the front trunk area, the fender also into where the door meets, and the door all wrapped in. This all gets done with one piece, no seaming, all the way down one piece, fully wrapped in under this seal here. Coming around all this black application, fully wrapped around all the ends. Coming into our rear quarter, again, the door and the rear quarter fully wrapped in, no end of the film, no termination. It's fully wrapped around the back side. Let's see here. You'll see the slight line right in here. Oh, this one here, actually what I did is I extended this one. We did a full section that wraps. You'll see it right here where it terminates. And then coming around our fuel door, fully wrapped in also. So we make sure we got 100% there. This hatch is all done in one section. These are seamed in, these, whatever you call those humps. And coming around this rear hatch, fully done. New emblem, we're still debating on those. The owner will let me know when he picks up today. Where it says Corvette, as of now, it's gonna stay off. And then much more of the same over here, coming around a fender, and this front trunk area fully wrapped in. The top's fully done, all edges wrapped, beautifully done. Much more of the same here, rockers all the way done. The accent piece is done. This front splitter was just added by the Chevrolet dealer, and they kind of have to redo it. Some of the pieces are crooked, but it's fully wrapped as well. And that's about it. So there's the full wrap with the XPel's Ultimate Plus paint protection film, guaranteed for 10 years in writing. The installation is guaranteed as long as you own the car by us. We always cover our installation in conjunction with the manufacturer's guarantee. So there you go, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching. clearbrownorthdallas@gmail.com if you need to send us a message. 940-600-1308 is a good number for us. Thanks for watching. Clearbrow, North Dallas.